Here's a report by Ankita Sinha tracking the trend of moving business districts in Mumbai and Greater Mumbai. Nariman Point and BKC, these are two locations which are well known for playing host to a large number of commercial buildings. But if reports are anything to go by, the demand for office space in these two central business districts is shifting to the suburbs. What's causing this shift and which are areas that are emerging as alternative for industries? Take a look.
Mumbai, the financial capital of India, has seen many contenders for the spot of Central Business District. For the longest time, Nariman Point held the sway, housing the top companies in India Inc. Then came BKC or Bandra Kurla complex, which drew big corporates thanks to its location and infrastructure. But now, corporates are increasingly gravitating towards emerging business districts in Mumbai's suburbs.
Buildings are getting older and we don't have enough parking, we don't have today's new age technology-driven facilities or amenities in the building. Floor plates are smaller. Newer areas such as Bandra Kurla complex or Andheri Kurla, for that matter Lower Parel, larger plots are available, good floor plates, excellent construction technology, very good efficiencies. So that is something that occupiers of today's times require.
So what are the advantages for corporates shifting here? The primary factor is most certainly the cost. Take BKC for instance. Monthly rents here can range from 230 to 250 rupees per square feet. But if you go further down to Andheri Kurla, rents are at 110 to 120 rupees per square feet. And if you go further down to areas like Goregaon Malad, Vikhroli or Kanjur Marg, the rents can be as low as 80 to 100 rupees per square feet. But that's not all. Companies prefer suburban business districts as the residential costs in these areas are cheaper and it helps them attract and retain talent. Added to this, there's also the fact that you take less time to travel to work and the close proximity to the airport and metro lines. All these factors are acting as a catalyst for companies to shift to the suburbs. Some big ticket leasing deals include Housing.com's deal in Powai for 1,20,000 square feet and Home Credit India's deal in Navi Mumbai for 1,60,000 square feet, among others. Here it is IT and tech companies that are leading the way in taking up new office spaces in areas like Malad, Goregaon, Kanjur Marg, Navi Mumbai and Thane. As a result of which rental values in these areas have appreciated by 5 to 6% on a quarter-on-quarter basis according to CBRE.
A lot of other sectors which were looking at space earlier, that is somehow dried up. And we see that demand shifting into the suburbs where we see Andheri as an area which is doing well, where the rentals are quite lower. They are not in the range of 250 to 75 which you see in BKC.
The rise of these suburban business districts don't mean that BKC and Nariman Point have lost their importance just yet. However, experts say that with companies looking for tailor-made options to fit their various requirements, Mumbai may witness the rise of multiple business districts across the MMR region. From Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.